I'm here in my vineyard in Martinborough, New Zealand. It's the second day of harvest, and these grapes are looking beautiful. This is clone 6. Everything's Pinot Noir here, but the 6 is unique because it's on its own roots. There's no rootstock. So these old vines planted in 1988, a lot of them have died, but I don't want to touch them. This is heritage. This is history of this area, and I love my old vines. And these grapes, these bunches, are going to go into the amphora that many of you have already seen in some of our videos. And it's the first time we've tried amphora here. And I'm hoping it's going to make a fresh, crunchy, and beautiful Pinot Noir. So I'm really stoked again to be out here. I'm out here with my team from Solomon Islands and Jaeyoon from Korea. And we're really happy to be harvesting. I'm feeling really good. Yeah, hold on one second. So I just stopped Jacob. He was whizzing by my house, and I noticed that he had 2 bins of Pinot Noir we just picked. And it's cool because the first bin here is actually the last of clone 6. And that's on their own roots. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful, tight, beautiful bunch. And then the second bin is the start of clone 5, which is related. They're both Pomard clones. 5 is on rootstock. It's some 5BB. And 5 was the earlier Pomard clone from Davis. And then it went to 6, which was heat treated, I believe, against leaf roll. But in any case, beautiful in itself. Interestingly, if you look at the Brix numbers, the clone 5 is a little bit sweeter. Well, it tastes so good. I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't make wine of it. It's too bloody good already. Anyways, I'm happy.